So as you guys just saw, today is a Sunday reset day, so we're cleaning the crib, we're resetting everything. So we took a shower, I shaved. Now I'm just gonna be doing my skincare, then I'm gonna get to cleaning. If you want a separate video on a skincare routine, let me know. Update, obviously you see I have braces now. I wanted to get my teeth fixed for a while just because I used to have braces a long time ago, and I ended up losing my retainers multiple times, and I think I got my braces off like back in 2015 or 16, so it's been some time since, and I had a gap. If you guys seen in my previous videos, you probably noticed that I do have like a gap in my teeth. So that's something that really bothered me, you know. I feel like a lot of people nowadays get veneers. Like, bye. I'm not getting veneers. Those shits look big and goofy. I took so long to literally upload that video that I just posted because, guys, I lost my adapter. Like, I have no idea where that shit is. So yeah, that's the reason why I haven't posted in a long time. But I got a new one, so that's updated. But how are you guys doing? I love warm weather. Like, I think I need to move where it's warmer because right now I stay in Connecticut and it's not a vibe. Hope you guys are doing beautiful and amazing. Guys, I've been trying to get more in touch with God and like manifesting and just like creating the life that I want, and like I feel like people overthink it, and I'm really just trying to get in a mindset of like I already have that, acting like I already have it, stuff like that. But me, I like to act like I'm already a millionaire. Okay, let's get to cleaning.
But I need that cover that I see your point.
Is a heart of a woman. Yeah. Is a heart of a
Alright, y'all. It's 1:42 right now. I'm gonna go and get some stuff. I have to get some pans for the oven for tonight's dinner. I also have to get more detergent because we're running out. So let's go to the store. I think if I should do a drive with me playlist. I forgot my water. We need to get baked chicken, we're gonna bake. So chicken breast, I need the pans for the oven, and then detergent. One whole chicken? What the fuck? I'm gonna just get the chicken breast.
Brand new. He's acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spent that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gonna fall off. I hate to bring you bad news. So many racks, a bitch can't even see the floor. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm
you guys for getting through the video. This was fun to make. This is usually what I do every Sunday just to reset and start my week off fresh. Let me know if you would like to see any specific videos. Comment down below, and I promise to be more consistent with you guys. Also, let me know if you want a separate cooking video, because I didn't get to really show you guys the process of me cooking, but I had mac and cheese, yams, baked chicken, and collard greens. Basically a soul food Sunday. But yeah, this is the next day, by the way. Here we are on a Monday. I feel refreshed, like my house is clean. You know, that's just like a little routine to get into so that every Sunday you'll feel refreshed for the next week coming up. Yeah, that's all. But like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so that you know when I post. Because sometimes I will go MIA and not even post, but when I do post, I post for y'all. So till next time.